Laguna Woods Invisalign. Hi, I'm Leon for 7 Day Dental, and I'd like to share with you information about our Invisalign. Invisalign can be done at any one of our offices, and it's a way to straighten your teeth without metal brackets and traditional braces. It's very good. It is a series of plastic inserts into your mouth that slowly move your teeth into the position we need to have them. So here's the way to take care of Invisalign is to use dental wax if there are minor sores around the edges of the Invisalign plastic, mouthwash to clean it, diet, usually snacks, and there's a 2-hour window when you can eat more with the Invisalign trays in your mouth. You're supposed to wear them about 22 hours a day, so that doesn't give a lot of room for you to eat, but you can make do. Call us today and we'll show you all the ways that you can have orthodontics done and Invisalign at any one of our offices. So we'll help you. We'll help you find out how to take care of your teeth, how to straighten your teeth, how to maintain your teeth. Thank you.